Amazon reports strong earnings for Q4, but stocks dip due to outlook for the first quarter. Amazon on Thursday reported better-than-expected revenue and profits for the holiday shopping period, but its stocks dipped in after-hours trading due to disappointing guidance for the current quarter.
Amazon shares under pressure after disappointing Q1 guidance. Amazon shares slipped to the downside as the tech giant issues lower-than-expected guidance for the current quarter, but talks up its capex plans with spending to hit $100 billion this year. Europe's STOXX 600 closes at an all-time high, lifted by upbeat earnings as attention turns to today's U.S. jobs report.
Amazon suffers $100 billion blow as guidance underwhelms. Amazon.com Inc., NASDAQ, AMZN, stock dropped 4% in after-hours trading, erasing $100 billion from the company's market value. The decline followed strong fourth-quarter earnings that exceeded expectations, but were overshadowed by weaker-than-expected guidance for the current quarter.
Pinterest puts investors in the picture with forecast-busting performance. Pinterest shares surged 18% in after-hours trading after the image-sharing platform forecast first-quarter revenue would come in above market expectations, expending. It credited its A4i-powered advertising tools, such as the Performance Plus suite, for boosting ad spending.
Pinterest Inc. PINs. Q4 2024. Earnings call transcript. Pinterest Inc. NYSE PINS. Q4 2024 earnings conference. Call February 6, 2025 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Company participants Bill Reddy, Chief Executive Officer Julia Donnelly, Chief Financial Officer Andrew Somberg, Vice President, Investor Relations, Treasury Conference call participants Eric Sheridan, Goldman Sachs Brian Nowak, Morgan Stanley, John Blackledge, TD Securities Mark Kelly, Stifel Rich Greenfield, Lightshed Partners Shweta Kajuria.
AI and deeper engagement drive Pinterest user. Revenue growth for Pinterest CEO Bill Reddy 2024 was transformative because the company's global monthly active users, MAUs, reached an all-time high of 553 million, an 11% increase year-over-year, and hit a major financial milestone in the fourth quarter, surpassing $1 billion in revenue for the first time.
Monolithic Power Systems Inc. sued for securities law violations. Investors should contact Levi and Korsinsky before April 7, 2025, to discuss your rights. MPWR New York, February 7, 2025, PR Newswire. Levi and Korsinsky, LLP, notifies investors in Monolithic Power Systems Inc., Monolithic or the company, NASDAQ MPWR, of a class action securities lawsuit. Class definition. The lawsuit seeks to recover losses on behalf of monolithic investors who were adversely affected by alleged securities fraud.
Levi and Korsinsky reminds shareholders of a lead plaintiff deadline of April 7, 2025, in Monolithic Power Systems Inc. lawsuit, MPWR New York, New York. ACCSS Newswire, February 6, 2025. If you suffered a loss on your Monolithic Power Systems Inc. NASDAQ MPWR investment and want to learn about a potential recovery under the federal securities laws, follow the link below for more information. https://zlk.com/PLRA-1/monolithic-lawsuit-submission-form ? PRID equals 127750 and wire equals 1, or contact Joseph E. Levi.
Monolithic Power Systems Alert. Bragar Eagle and Squire PC announces that a class action lawsuit has been filed against Monolithic Power Systems Inc. and encourages investors to contact the firm New York, February 6, 2025. Globe Newswire. Bragar Eagle and Squire PC, a nationally recognized stockholder rights law firm, announces that a class action lawsuit has been filed against Monolithic Power Systems Inc., Monolithic Power Systems, or the company, NASDAQ MPWR, in the United States Dis.
Fortinet Inc., FTNT. Q4 2024. Earnings call transcript. Fortinet Inc., NASDAQ Q. FTNT. Q4 2024. Earnings conference. Call February 6, 2025 4:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Company participants Aaron Ovadia, Director of Investor Relations Ken Shi, Founder, Chairman and Chief Executive Officer Keith Jensen, Chief Financial Officer John Whittle, Chief Operating Officer Christiane Olgart, Chief Accounting Officer and Sales Operations Leader Conference. Call participants Tal Liani, Bank of America Gabriela Borges, Goldman.
Fortinet, FTNT. Q4 earnings. Taking a look at key metrics versus estimates. Although the revenue and EPS for Fortinet, FTNT, give a sense of how its business performed in the quarter ended December 2024, it might be worth considering how some key metrics compare with Wall Street estimates and the year-ago numbers.
Fortinet, FTNT. Q4 earnings and revenues beat estimates. Fortinet, FTNT, came out with quarterly earnings of 74 cents per share, beating the Zacks consensus estimate of 60 cents per share. This compares to earnings of 51 cents per share a year ago.
Tesla's massive news. Sales are plunging at a terrible time. Tesla's TSLA minus 1.02%. Sales have dropped dramatically in Europe to start 2025, and that could be a preview of what's to come for a company facing increased competition and falling prices. In this video, Travis Hodium explains why this could all be bad for Tesla's revenue and bottom line this year.
Tesla's China-made EV sales fall 11.5% in January. U.S. automaker. Tesla's sales of China-made electric vehicles fell 11.5% to 63,238 units in January from a year earlier, data from the China Passenger Car Association showed on Friday.
Tesla hikes price of Model X. Tesla Inc. NASDAQ TSLA has raised the prices of its Model X electric vehicles in the United States by $5,000, according to its website. The standard all-wheel drive Model X now costs $84,990, up from $79,990, while the higher-end Plaid version has increased from $94,990 to $99,990.